Today we're looking at two all-in-one online video editing platforms, Veed.io and Descript. Both are designed to make content creation easier for everyone, whether you're editing a marketing clip or producing a podcast. Veed.io focuses on simplicity and speed, offering a fully browser-based editor where you can drag and drop clips, add subtitles, and generate videos quickly with AI. Descript, on the other hand, takes a more unique approach, letting you edit audio and video as if you were editing text in a document. Both tools claim to save time, simplify collaboration, and remove the traditional complexity of video editing. On the Veed.io side, the experience is streamlined and very visual. It gives you templates for social media, brand kits, and automatic subtitles that work surprisingly well. The AI features can even generate voiceovers, clean up audio, and turn scripts into ready-to-share videos. Everything happens right in the browser, which makes collaboration simple since your team can work on the same project without installing software. Descript offers something very different. You record or upload a file, and it automatically creates a transcript. From there, you can delete words to cut scenes, move sentences around to reorder clips, and even generate missing voice lines using its AI overdub tool. It's built around precision, automation, and accessibility, with a focus on creators who work heavily with speech and narration. Let's focus on Descript for a deeper look. Its biggest advantage is how natural it feels once you get used to editing through text. You can clean up mistakes by just deleting them from the transcript, trim silences automatically, and polish audio with studio-quality effects. It's particularly strong for podcasts, interviews, and educational content. However, it's not without limitations. Larger projects can lag, and timeline editing can feel less intuitive for users who prefer traditional drag-and-drop workflows. So which of these platforms is the better all-in-one choice? It really depends on your workflow. Veed.io shines when you need quick turnarounds, branded videos, and social-friendly clips without dealing with complex settings. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and perfect for marketing teams or solo creators who want results fast. Descript is better suited for those producing podcasts, interviews, or educational videos where audio quality and dialogue control matter most. If your work revolves around storytelling through voice, Descript gives you tools that feel futuristic. Both are strong, modern editors that show how accessible content creation has become. Your best choice just depends on what kind of creator you are and how you like to work.